All right, so we're gonna do a forklift inspection. This is our forklift. We can do a light check. Blinking light on top to warn everybody. Brake light in the rear. Auxiliary front light works. Next thing we're gonna do, start at the front. Make sure our main cylinder isn't leaking. Make sure our chain is oiled, has some slack. Hydraulic lines are not cracked or broken. Upper cylinder is okay. Rollers are okay. Bearings are good. Our hose reel operates. Connections are not leaking. Tilt cylinders are okay. All of our main lines down there are good. Check out our tires. These are a solid rubber tire. And we just want to make sure that there's no large cracks going through or chunks missing off the tire. They're okay. Our body's in good shape. Our rear tire is in okay shape. Make sure nothing is on our exhaust or in our exhaust. Make sure our radiator's clean. No leaks are underneath of it, indicating a hydraulic leak. Rear steering linkage and push rod are all okay. Make sure our other tire, number 3, is good.
He's not supposed to.
Get our 4th one. Check these out. Warning lights and gauges. Check our hour meter. Nose out. Check our fuel screen. Make sure it's clean and not too full of debris. Close it back up.
I was very confused, so I've been trying to get it now.
Check our coolant reservoir. It's full. Coolant's clean. Our radiator was plugged up from the rear. You can kind of see where some of the other debris was. I had to come in and blow it all out. Make sure our coolant hoses aren't ballooned. Make sure they're not cracked or ripped or broken. Our fuel system all the way up is in okay operating shape. It's not leaking. We have an oil filter down here. It's got some minor seepage down at the bottom. It's okay maintained. The engine's not leaking. The oil level is full. Our oil level being full, we're going to go over to our hydraulic fluid. Make sure that our hydraulic fluid is full. It's actually over full, but that's okay. It's better to have more than none. We're also going to check our air filter indicator, which is okay. It is not blocked. You can tell just above that arrow. Air filter housing is clamped and connected. The rear of our alternator is in good condition. Our alternator belt is cracked with some fraying, but that's okay. It's only a workhorse. The valve cover is good. Parking brake operation works. Our brake fluid is full. Debris screen is okay. Brake fluid is clean. Now we're going to make sure that it starts on this. Because it's a diesel, you got to warm the engine by turning the key to the left. Wait 2 seconds. Turn the key to the right. Vehicle starts. Got a horn operation. RPM gauge. Make sure the vehicle does operate, in which it does. Make sure our forklift does operate all the way up. Make sure that it tilts forward and back at full extension. And we'll bring it back down. Notice right here, our hose is actually frayed and broken from the outer sheeting. You want to get that repaired. Spring reel does not retract all the way. That's why it's damaged. Hoses are getting kinked, which is bad. These should never be kinked like that. It should rotate as such. And that is the operation of the forklift.